Hello guys, myself Soumya and today's video is on most important MCQs for NEET 2020. So let's get started. Question number first is a species facing extremely high risk of extinction in the immediate future is called vulnerable, endemic, critically endangered or extinct. So the answer is critically endangered. The zone of atmosphere in which the ozone layer is present. The ozone layer is present in the is stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere. So the answer is the stratosphere. Nation which published the red list of species. Red list of species published in the ICFRE, IUCN, UNEP and WWF. So the answer is IUCN. Select the taxon mentioned that represent both marine and freshwater species. So both marine और freshwater species कहाँ मिलती है हमको एकाडाउंस में, सिफेलोकोडेटा में, टीनोफोरा में और निडेरिया में. So the answer is निडेरिया. Which one of the following living organism completely lack a cell wall? तो cell wall किस में नहीं होती है? साइनोबैक्टीरिया में, स्टेगोमाइसाइट्स में, सी फैन में और ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गे में. सो द आंसर इज द सी फैन. Planaria possesses high capacity of metamorphosis, regeneration and production generation or bioluminescence. So the answer is regeneration. A marine cartilaginous fish ये कैन प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एक ऐसी मैंने फिश प्रोड्यूस करती है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इसको बोलते हैं प्राइस्टिस, टॉर्पेडो, ट्रैगोन और स्कॉटलिडोन. सो द आंसर इज द टॉर्पेडो. चूज द करेक्टली मैच्ड पेयर. टेंडन आर स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, adipose tissue are dense connective tissue, aerial tissue are loose connective tissue and cartilage are loose connective tissue. So the answer is aerial tissue because they are loose connective tissue. So next question is identify the hormone with its correct matching of source and function. Oxytocin released from the posterior pituitary, growth and maintenance of mammary gland. Melatonin. Pineal gland regulates the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. Progesterone. Corpus luteum stimulation of growth and activities of the human secondary sex organs. Arterial natriuretic factor. Ventricular wall increases in the blood pressure. So the option is melatonin, which is secreted from the pineal gland and it regulates the sleep-wake cycle of the individual. The fight or flight reactions cause activation of parathyroid gland leading to increased metabolic rate. The kidney leading to suppression of renin, angiotensin, and aldosterone pathway. The adrenal medulla leading to increased secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. The pancreas leading to a reduction in the blood sugar level. So the option is the adrenal medulla, which regulate the fight or flight reactions. Now next question is the shear terminal duct of the reproductive urinary system in the human male is urethra, vas deferens ureter or vas efferentia. So the answer is the urethra. The main function of corpus luteum is to produce estrogen only, progesterone, human gonadotropins or relaxin. So the option is estrogen only. Fertilization से पहले हमारा जो corpus luteum जो होता है वो प्रोड्यूस करता है estrogen और fertilization बाद में ये प्रोड्यूस करता है progesterone. Select the correct option describing the gonadotropic activity in normal pregnant female. So options are high level of FSH and LH stimulate the scaling of the endometrium. The high level of FSH and LH stimulate the implantation of the embryo. The high level of HCG stimulate the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. The high level of HCG stimulate the healing of the endometrium. So the answer is the high level of HCG stimulate the synthesis of estrogen and the progesterone. Trichotomy is a method of sterilization. एक मेथड है sterilization का किसमें in which इसमें क्या होता है in which a small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied up or ovaries are removed surgically. A small part of vagina is removed or tied up or uterus is removed surgically. So the correct option is that the small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied up. Now, which one of the following are analogous structures? The wings of bat or wings of pigeon, gills of pram and lungs of man, thorns of amygdala and tendrils of amygdala, or flippers of dolphin and legs of horse. So the answer is wings of bat and wings of pigeon. Which is the particular type of drug that is obtained from the plant or branching is given here. So options are hallucinogen, depressant, stimulant और painkiller. So जो plant है ये किस टाइप का है? So it is a hallucinogen plant. Now next question is at which stage of HIV infection does one show symptoms of AIDS? तो ऐसे कौन से मतलब स्टेज पे हम एक पर्सन को HIV के और HIV इन्फेक्शन के उसको सिम्टम्स देखने को मिलेंगे? सो ऑप्शंस आर विद इन 15 days of sexual contact with an infected person, when the infected retrovirus enters the host cells, when HIV damages large number of helper T lymphocytes, when the viral DNA is produced by the reverse transcriptase. So the option is when HIV damages large number of helper T lymphocytes, then it shows the symptoms. To obtain virus-free healthy plants from a deceased one by tissue culture technique, which plant part of the deceased plant will be taken? Apical meristem only, palisade, parenchyma, both apical and axillary meristem, or epidermis only? So the answer is both apical and axillary meristem जो होती है हम उस प्लांट से लेते हैं जो डिसीज है ताकि हम एक हेल्दी प्लांट को ग्रो कर सकें. What gases are produced in anaerobic slug digester? So options are methane and CO2 only, methane and hydrosulfide and CO2, methane, hydrosulfide and O2, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. So option is methane, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. Just as a person moving from Delhi to Simla to escape the heat for the duration of a hot summer, thousands of migratory birds from Siberia and other extremely cold northern regions move to Western Ghat, कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क मेघालय और क्यूलादो नेशनल पार्क. अब बहुत सी माइग्रेटरी बर्ड जो है वो मूव कर रही हैं शिमला से, मतलब बहुत ही जब उन जहाँ पे रह रही थी वो वहाँ पे जब बहुत ही ज़्यादा हीट बढ़ गई थी, तो जब वो वहाँ से मूव कर रही हैं तो वो वैसे बहुत सी बर्ड हैं जो एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड क्लाइमेट से मूव कर रही हैं और बहुत सी ऐसी हैं जो हॉट क्लाइमेट मूव कर रही हैं. सो मूव करती हैं कहाँ पे? सो मोस्टली ये जो साइबेरिया की जो बर्ड होती हैं ये मूव करती हैं क्यूलादो नेशनल पार्क में, जो कि हमारा राजस्थान में मिलता है. Given below is the representation of the extent of the global diversity of invertebrates, which group the four portion represent respectively. So options are insects, crustaceans, other animals or mollusks, crustaceans, insects, mollusks or animal group, crustaceans, other animals group, crustaceans or insects, mollusca, crustaceans or other animal group. So option is crustaceans and insect, mollusca and other animal group. So which one of the following is an example of polygenic inheritance? polygenic inheritance का कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? मतलब जब बहुत से जीन्स एक कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं polygenic inheritance. Options are flower color in Mirabilis jalapa, production of a male honey bee, pod shape in garden pea, or skin color in humans. So the option is skin color in humans. Which one of the following is not act as a neurotransmitter? जो neurotransmitter एक्ट नहीं करता है. ऑप्शंस आर acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine और cortisone. So option is epinephrine. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as FSH, GH, prolactin और LH. So ऑप्शन इज FSH. FSH जो होता है वो रेगुलेट करता है सर्टोली सेल्स को. ए स्टेरॉयड हार्मोन विच रेगुलेट्स ग्लूकोज मेटाबॉलिज्म इज कॉर्टिसोल, कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉन, 11-deoxycorticosterone और कॉर्टिजोन. सो द ऑप्शन इज कॉर्टिसोल. कॉर्टिसोल जो होता है वो एक ऐसा स्टेरॉयडल हार्मोन है जो रेगुलेट करता है ग्लूकोज के मेटाबॉलिज्म को. Which one of the following item gives its correct total number? Options are floating ribs in humans are 4, amino acids found in protein are 16, Types of diabetes are 3 and the cervical vertebrae in humans are 8. So the correct option is floating ribs in humans are 4 because इसमें दो दो पैर होते हैं लेफ्ट साइड की लंग्स में और राइट साइड के लंग्स के ऊपर जो कवरिंग होती है वर्टिब्रल कॉलम की उसमें होते हैं ये, ठीक है. In germinating seeds, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in the blasts, glycosomes, peroxisomes or mitochondria. So the correct option is glycosome because यहीं पे fatty acids जो होते हैं वो degrade होते हैं. Now, pineapple fruit develops from a unilocular polycarpic flower, a multipistilate carpus flower, a cluster of compactly bound flowers on a common axis or a multilocular monocarpic flower. So the correct option is a cluster of compactly bound flower on a common axis. Pineapple का जो फूल होता है वो एक compactly bound flower axis पे से grow करता है. Golden rice is a promising transgenic crop. When released for cultivation, it will help in elevation of vitamin A deficiency, pest resistance, herbicide tolerance, producing a petrol-like fuel from rice. So the option is elevation of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A की deficiency को पूरा करता है. Parthenocarpid tomato fruit can be produced by removing endometrium of flower before pollen are released. Treating the plant with low concentration of gibberellic acid and oxygen, raising the plant from vernalized seed, or treating the plant with the phenyl mercuric. So the option are treating the plant with low concentration of gibberellic acid and the oxygen. This is the right option. So our video ends here. If you like this MCQ series,